reps. I'm going to go through the first set with you, and then you can do it again to do the full workout. First, everything is also going to be laying down on the floor, so that's kind of nice. So the first, we're going to start with chest fly. So you're lay down on your back, bring your weights up, and bend in the elbow. So after the flies, you're going to do a chest press. Well, I did 9. I wasn't counting good. So for the next one, we're going to do a skull crusher, and that's going to be for your triceps. So you're going to hold your weights together like this and bring them right to your head. Really trying to keep those elbows in place so you're just focusing on those triceps. You should be keeping your core tight when you're doing this. So then we're gonna do overhead pull down. So all the way down and back up. Side arm curls, so arms out of our side and bringing them in. All right, and then for our last one, these are called around the world. So you start up here. Down and up counts as one, so it takes a little bit longer to do that. So for this I use just 6-pound weights. If you don't have weights, you can use soup cans to do this. If you want to come in the gym, you can grab whatever weights feel good for you to do this. But this is a nice workout because you can kind of feel a little lazy when you're laying down, but you're still getting a good upper body workout. So again, follow this again for 2 more times to get a full workout. And thank you for joining us today. Have a good one.